Welcome back to the channel, good friends. As you can see, I have my furry sidekick right next to me. I'm working on the Honda Pilot, and I do want to get some areas cleared up so I can start to scrub them. Not sure what the staining is, but there's a lot of dog hair on top of it. So I thought I would grab some footage because today I'm going to use the 3D Fur Kleen, and we'll see how that works. So let's get this video started. I have the DeWalt Stealth Sonic. I have some tools for pet hair. I do have the 3D Fur Kleen pet hair remover in a spray bottle so we can mist it onto the surface. I want to get to a point where I can get some product on here and start scrubbing some of these stains. However, we have pet hair all over the area, and I really want to get that up out of the way first before I go any further. So let's put the Fur Kleen to work. What it calls for us to do first is to grab the vac and get as much of this loose stuff up as possible. There are black hairs, there are white hairs. I don't know if it's two different animals, but let's fire up the Stealth Sonic and get what we can. This is where we stand after that step. We have a lot of the loose, clumpy hair vacked up, but we have some of the other hairs interwoven within the fiber of this backing, which is very cheap and entry level. Next up, it wants us to mist the product onto your working area and let it dwell for 1 full minute or even longer. That's exactly what we're going to do. Now, I would share with you if it had a pleasant smell, but I can't smell anything, so I'll let that up to you. I'm sure it has a pleasant smell. Okay. So we let this do its magic, let it dwell. I guess it's breaking down or softening the fibers or the hair itself. But let's give it its due time and we'll go from there. We're well into 2 to 3 minutes. This area here has a lot of clumps of the hair left in there, woven in between the entry level carpeting back here. So it says take a brush or your favorite tool to gather the pet hair, and we'll start here and work and pull the pet hair down here where we can vac it from one little clumpy area. Let's use the brush. Fire up the vac. Well, I can tell you this. It did make the pulling of the hair up away from the carpet with the vac rather easy. What I would like to know is, would it have made any difference if we used a fabric softener to loosen and relax the fibers here in this entry-level carpeting to do the exact same thing? I don't know, but it did pull up quickly. I have no complaints with this side. On this side, I'll try the Pumis Rock, see how that works. I did want to show you this. Pulled it right away from the carpet into the brush so you can then extract it from the bristles. So that worked out pretty cool. Let's try the Pumis Rock here and pull everything towards us. All right. That was quick and easy. So we now have everything gathered into a pile right at the edge. Let's vac up. Look at the results. Okay, I now have it to a point where I can actually get to these stains. And the 3 or 4 hairs that were kind of really woven in there, I just pulled it away with my rubber glove, which is another great way to gather the hair. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know how much it helped compared to maybe just a fabric softener, but I have no complaints. As long as it makes this type of work quicker and easier, makes me more efficient, I'm happy with it. I personally like the way the brush worked, so I am going to continue or finish up using the brush and just pull everything towards me and then vac what's left. And again, instead of pulling everything into a clump, it's just gathering it into the fibers of the brush. Let me throw this away real quick. I don't mind that. Easy to do. Yep. Okay, let me hop over to the driver's side here. We have a little bit more. Oh yeah. Let's vac things up. And we'll come in and take a look. Every once in a while you'll find one that's being stubborn, and with rubber gloves, it comes right out. Well, that was pretty slick. Not meant to clean up stains. That's going to be a completely different step. However, I don't have to deal with the dog hair. The dog hair is all gone. Well, I do have to deal with dog hair, but that's a different situation. My friends, the true test would be those short, real stiff, wiry hair dogs. And I will continue to use it. I have nothing negative to say about it so far. If you've used it with all different types of dog hair, share that down in the comment section and help others. This has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning and the shop manager. Catch you in the next video.